Determine the x and y intercepts of each function, then graph the function. So you have an equation where usually x and y are on the same side. When you're using intercept method, you do want them to be on the same side. So what you do is you take the constant that's on the right hand side and you pop it up top. You do not change the sign or anything. You just write it on top of each thing and then you divide. Negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5, and because that's stuck to x, that's on x. Negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3, and because that's stuck to y, that's on y. So you draw a dot at negative 5 on x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative 3 on y, 1, 2, 3. Those are your intercepts. So you draw your line. Two dots determine a line. Okay, they did ask you to also determine or to list the x and y intercepts. So what you do is you take your answers here, and negative 5 would go in the x spot and 0 would go in the y. And for your y intercept, that negative 3 is going to go in the y spot and 0 would go in the x. Remember, ordered pairs are alphabetical order, x and then y. So the next one, I have a negative 2x plus 1y. If there's no number in front of a variable, it's a 1, equals 8. I pop the 8 on top of each one of those. 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4, and because that's stuck to the x, that's on x. 8 divided by 1 is 8, and because that's stuck to the y, that's on y. So negative 4 on x, and these are counting by 2's here. So negative 4 would be here, and 8 would be 2, 4, 6, 8. You connect them with a line. And for the intercepts, it's negative 4 for x, 0 for y, and 0 for x, 8 for y. Okay, the next one, negative 4x minus 3y equals negative 12. You pop the negative 12 up. Sorry, it's got to be a negative 12. Negative 12 divided by negative 4 is a positive 3, and that's on x because it's stuck to the x. Negative 12 divided by negative 3 is a positive 4, and that's on y because it's stuck to the y. So 3 on x, 1, 2, 3 right here, and 4 on y, 1, 2, 3, 4 on y right here. You connect those with a line. The intercepts, you've got 3 for x and 0, and then 0 for x and 4. Those are the x and y intercepts.